Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number inside your Microsoft account, okay? So here I am on my Microsoft account. You just go to your left side and go to your informations. So on the next screen, you just scroll down a little bit, go to phone number, and it's none, of course, because you don't have. So what you're gonna do is go to edit account information, you just click. And on the next screen, you just go to add phone number right here. You just add change the country you are. I'm Brazil, so it's this one. You just put your phone number, and press next, and just go enter the code we sent to your phone. So Microsoft will send you a number to a code number, and you just fill this blank space and you click next, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, hope you learn it. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.